Hey garden lovers! Today I'm going to take you on a little trip down memory lane. We all make mistakes in the garden, but the key is to learn from them. So, in this video, I'll share with you the 8 biggest gardening mistakes I've made, and will never make again. Trust me, avoiding these will save you time, money, and a lot of heartache. Let's get started. Mistake number 1, overwatering. In my early gardening days, I thought more water meant happier plants. But overwatering can suffocate roots, invite disease, and lead to yellowing leaves. Now, I always check the soil moisture before watering and let the top inch dry out before I give my plants a drink. Mistake number 2, planting too close together. I used to think I could squeeze in as many plants as possible, but they ended up competing for nutrients, light, and space. This led to stunted growth and poor yields. Now, I always follow the recommended spacing on seed packets to give each plant the room it needs to thrive. Mistake number 3, ignoring soil health. For years I just planted in whatever soil I had without considering its quality. But healthy soil is the foundation of a productive garden. I now regularly amend my soil with compost, organic matter, and fertilizers to keep it rich and full of life. Mistake number 4, not rotating crops. Growing the same plants in the same spot year after year can deplete nutrients and invite pests and diseases. Now I rotate my crops every season to break pest cycles and keep the soil balanced. Mistake number 5, forgetting to mulch. I used to skip this step, but I learned that mulch is a gardener's best friend. It helps retain moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. Now, I always cover my beds with a layer of mulch to keep my plants happy and healthy. Mistake number 6, neglecting pest control. I used to wait until I saw damage to take action, but by then, it was often too late. Now I use preventive measures like companion planting, attracting beneficial insects, and monitoring my garden regularly to keep pests in check. Mistake number 7, planting at the wrong time. Timing is everything in gardening. I've learned the hard way that planting too early or too late can lead to poor growth or even plant death. Now, I follow a planting calendar that aligns with my local climate to ensure my plants get the best start. And finally, mistake number 8, not keeping records. I used to rely on my memory for everything. What I planted where, when I fertilized, which pests I battled. But it's easy to forget. Now I keep a gardening journal where I track everything from planting dates to harvest yields. It's been a game changer for improving my garden year after year. And there you have it, 8 mistakes I'll never make in my garden again. I hope sharing these lessons helps you avoid the same pitfalls. Gardening is all about learning and growing, and every season brings new opportunities. If you've made any mistakes in your garden, share them in the comments below so we can all learn together. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening, everyone!